Hi guys, what is up? So our first day in Gangtok has started. So we came to the first place, which was our first destination. Our itinerary has changed a little because my father's gone, so we're changing the itinerary today. For the first 2 days, we're just gonna go around Gangtok. So our first stop was this beautiful Buddhist monastery in Gangtok, just 2 hours away from our hotel Mayfair. The stupa was built in the 19th century and has a lot of beautiful religious and cultural pieces on display, the entry to which is free. It's a beautiful and extremely peaceful monastery. You can go around and talk to the monks here who can help you understand a lot more about the history of this place and Sikkim, and of course play with a lot of Pahari cats and dogs around. 5 minutes away from the stupa is the Namgyal Institute of Tibetalology, which is a museum which carries a lot of ancient paintings, the Thangka paintings, coins, and other artifacts. There's also a very cute souvenir shop and a library for you guys to explore and shop from. So from the stupa and the the Namgyal Institute of Tibetalology, we went and came to this memorial park, from which we came to this flower exhibition, which was really nice. It's very small. The entry ticket is also only for 20 bucks. It's a really small room of sorts, like an exhibition, which has like different, really different flowers. You have like lots of variety of orchids and stuff. So we just got done with that. It was really pretty. I took some time lapses and a few shots of the flowers. I would totally recommend people who love flowers and plants to go get a few. They also have a plant and flower seed shop, so if you like something you can go buy it also. They have orchids and so many flowers I have no knowledge about, and I also got myself some fried peanuts because I love peanuts. So today is a very light day. We're not doing much. We're just going around Gangtok, looking at monasteries, looking at views and viewpoints and all of that. So the first 2 days are just going to be that and vlogs containing what we're doing in Gangtok, exploring. So now we took a stop at the Inche Monastery, which is the oldest monastery in Gangtok. And now the Inche Monastery is a must visit in Gangtok. It's located on the road that leads to Nathula from Gangtok and is actually one of the oldest and the first formal monasteries here. It overlooks the whole city of Gangtok and offers a beautiful view of the snow-covered peaks of the Kanchenjunga range. Definitely a place to visit with family, where you can sit, lounge around in peace and enjoy the scenic views around you. You'll also see a lot of monks and children playing football around you, and it's just a really great place to be at. Let me give you guys a quick story time, which is very funny, and my mom kind of got pissed at me for that. So when we went to the museum, the Tibetalology museum, when we went there was this really cute dog. Now mind you, if you guys know me, you guys know I love dogs. So I went and I pet the dog, okay, and that time it was all cool. The dog was coming to me, it was like, so that was all cool. I played with it, and then like I also took a clip of it, right? So after that, when I tried to go away, the dog wanted the pets. I don't know what the dog wanted, but it just started tugging on my sweater. So if you see, like, iske dhage nikal gaya. So the dog started like tugging at me and then started like biting. Now I have a dog, so I didn't get scared, I didn't panic. It started like biting my hand and I was like and then it kind of got worse because वो मेरे को काफ़ी हद तक attack करने लग गया था, and thankfully my mom had come out of the museum, so I was like help. So she came, she shooed the dog away. We didn't hit it, but she shooed the dog away, and then I have like scratches, so like they're kind of like inflamed, but thankfully उसका दांत अंदर तक नहीं गया, तो like there's no like insertion of his teeth or saliva or anything. There's no open wound, so thankfully I don't have to get any injections. और पिछले summers में ही मेरे को किसी और कुत्ते ने स्क्रैच किया था, which made my skin break. काफ़ी बड़ा स्क्रैच था, तो I had to get a tetanus shot for that. So thankfully मेरे पास tetanus shot है, which means I won't have to get any new injections. नहीं तो काफ़ी बीटी सी हो जाती है. हम vacation पे आए हैं और मेरे को injection लग रहा है. I hate injections, by the way. So yeah, that is for the story time. I just got bitten by a dog. So now we have come to the मैं हनुमान जी को हिमानु बोले जा रही हूँ. To the Hanuman Mandir here. It was a really nice drive and a very patla road that led us super. And so this is how it all is. We need to walk up to the mandir, but our family isn't really the mandir kind. There are a lot of mandirs here. There's a Shiv mandir. There are a lot of mandirs. This was the first one that we stopped at. But we're now not gonna stop at any mandirs. because we're not really interested in them. Now we're gonna go to the MG Road market area, which is where we're gonna meet my father. Good news, whatever issue happened last night, my father had to go. Now he's coming back, so he's gonna come join us. Then we're gonna have some lunch, I think, and just like explore Gangtok and the market area and the MG Road and stuff.
So we are at Mahatma Gandhi Marg
Really?
called MG Road.
MG Road is Mahatma Gandhi Marg?
नहीं, this is Mulluga Swami Ganapati Road.
क्योंकि MG Road in Gurgaon is Mehrauli Gurgaon Road.
This is also called Monk Gumpy Road. This is also called My Gaon Ki Road.
This is local cafe from Gangtok.
So after a really long day of sightseeing, lots of driving and some shopping, we headed over to the local cafe at MG Mart. It's actually a very cute little cafe which is also very famous for its yummy food and the ambience. The chef here recommended us to try some local dishes like the laughing, a steamy broth along with a really nice sandwich and some really good hot chocolate. Easily this cafe was one of the best cafes in Sikkim and is totally worth a visit. So after all that paid puja, all of us decided to go to the market again because it's honestly one of the most beautiful sights here in Gangtok at night with all that light and all that hustle bustle. We decided to go get some shopping done and some souvenirs for our friends, after which we quickly had to rush to our hotel for a little surprise we had planned for our mom.
So we came back home, my battery died, so I couldn't vlog. But after the Hanuman talk, we went to MG Road. We had really good food, by the way. I'll talk about it later. But this place called the Local Cafe is amazing. And if you like good food, if you like good soup, if you like just good food and a cozy restaurant, please go there. Anyway, we went to MG Road. We bought some gloves. We bought some beanies. We went around the place. That's my sister judging me. And now we are going to be surprising my mother with some cake, because the reason we are here in Sikkim is essentially because it's a birthday, which is on 27th, tomorrow. It's the 26th today, obviously, but it's a birthday and we're here for her birthday. Wait, I'm vlogging now. Sorry. So we're here for her birthday celebration, and we're gonna go surprise her. Hi guys, alright, so the reason why I'm in the washroom is because it is 12:30. I am not sure, but my sister's sleeping. Reason being, we have to like get going by 8:30. Our driver is going to come at around that time because we have a super jam-packed day tomorrow. That's also the reason why we got done with my mom's cake cutting earlier than 12, because everyone wants to sleep so that we can wake up fresh and go tomorrow. So I don't really know what our itinerary is for tomorrow, what our plan is for tomorrow, but as soon as I know, I will vlog that as well. But today's day has finally come to an end. I'm now gonna go sleep. Wait, you can see me. I'm now gonna go sleep. I kind of saw a few Sikkim Gangtok vlogs to get some more vlog inspiration. But now that I'm done with that, I think I really need to sleep because I have to wake up at 6 tomorrow and be fresh for tomorrow's travel, because I want to enjoy all of it and have a lot of fun. Hopefully I'll get to eat some nice Sikkimese momos and Pahadi Maggie and laughing tomorrow. I loved the laughing today, by the way. And from today's travel, I think my favorite places were the local cafe at MG Road, the oldest monastery, and the viewpoint at the Hanuman Talk, and also the museum. The museum was so pretty. I would recommend all of you guys to go all of those places. But now I'm gonna end today's vlog and go to sleep. Good night.